So we are here at Realize Live, and I'm more than happy to introduce you our real virtual machine. Virtual machining consists basically of two parts. We have our simulation where we emulate a machine with its kinematics and its operations. And sure enough, there is a CNC controller that drives all operations on this machine. Typically, state of the art today is that we would emulate the behavior of a CNC machine of some sort. We post into it, and then with some driver we emulate the behavior that CNC program, that G-code that drives our simulation. Brand new at this show is our little model that we built up as a mock-up, where we drive simulation with a real VNCK, which stands for Virtual NC Kernel. That is a 100% replica of the Sinomeric 840D CNC controller. So this is authentic, it's not an emulation, it is the controller running on a laptop in the back, driving that simulation. So everything I wanted to do and can do usually on a CNC controller is available here. I can start and stop the program, I can change my spindle speed, my in-feed, I can stop the machine, like a feed stop going on. I can pull up tracking and traces of my specific tool path and operation. And sure, everything is in touchscreen. If I want to look at a specific operation, I can zoom in or out on our little model here and get to a very specific angle of the operation that is of this specific interest right now. I can look into tool changing operations, I can look at my tooling list, so everything is available in a virtual world, and that is what we are calling a digital twin. An identical digital twin. It's not just a twin, it's an identical digital twin. And coming back to many customers that visited us here, they confirm this is what you want, an identical digital twin of equipment and control for your operations in CNC manufacturing.